Hi everybody, good morning. I'm doing daily challenge Ottergram. This one is about file inclusion. As always, when you do this app, always create your account. When you're looking for file inclusion, we look in anything that related to we can change the file or the application is calling something related to files, that type of things. So if I start the home page, for example, I can see all this is just a normal, this one called a post API, but I don't see what you call this one. You just call an image directly, so it's no type of file inclusion. So for the front page isn't too much. So if I go to setting, edit profile, wherever, this one doesn't really do too much. It just call the put request to profile, so I don't change the API. We can change the API. This one doesn't, you just change image and send it, so it's another put request. So what else we have? So this one we don't, we have the comment request is just another put request, post request to API post. This is not an file inclusion. So you have what else we have? We have the like, for example, the like it's not, because the like it just send a post request to this API. It's not a file, it's not something related file like an image, so something related to images. But here one thing interested, you can click there if you want to read more. It's just there post. But interesting now, if I go for example to user profile and click there, now if I go back to my look what happened at the end of the day, uh, this API, if you look very carefully to this API, uh, now I just say the type. This last one, this endpoint, interesting part, if you look at it, if you open it like that, it look API profile, get request, API profile. No, this, I'm confused. No, hold on, this is fine. It look for that. But when you get a post request, when you click now, start reading any of these posts, let's say I'm reading this one, post number 4, look what happened now if you go to your API. There's one called the post request and get a response, the image URL, and then one get a comment and comments, and then what interesting, get the image itself. And the request, if you look the header, it has file equal upload. That's your you can say in LFI local file inclusion. That's an LFI, local file inclusion. And you can see we have a file here. You can be external LFI or internal LFI. Before us, we need to look. Usually, if you are in CTF in other platform, the first thing you do this etc plus WD, and then if you do that, you get the response flag is somewhere else. So we are in the right path. So what it mean, you can see this is a GS application, so you can argue so the flag is somewhere, so you can see we're somewhere, but so it's indexed. We can see if I you can complain things, but we could not file not found, package, for example, JSON, file not found, because usually it's packages, not GS, JSON. It tell you flag is somewhere else. Of course, you can run in circle here, but you just do the classic things. You just say, okay, the flag called flag.txt for the sake of argument, and then you get a flag. So basically this, and that's your slide. So the idea here is to now understand, because I said in LFI, so you need to go to make sure you look for where exactly the LFI, you will find it, and you can say when you look for all the API requests, this one interesting one, the interesting one is the one that call with a file, and that's we have an LFI. And when you have LFI, you can practice and look for it until you found it, as we did here. A response for the flag, so we just look for our request. You can see we're just looking for the file flag.txt, and basically we got our flag. This one, as I said, because the hint is straightforward till you find inclusion, so basically you just look for it until you find the endpoint that sent to that, and you get the flag. Thank you everybody and have a good day.